This is just going to be a pretty short stream talking about how to replace one item with another using, well, not just one, but a whole bunch of one item with another using the layout editor. This is extremely useful for things like replacing all of your walls if you decide you want a different color, or your floors if you decide you want a different floor, just anything where you have a lot of one item and you want to replace it with another item. So, first thing first is I have to make sure that I have all of the new item in my moving crate. So as you can see, I have a whole bunch of items right here. In this case, I'm replacing one light with another light because the light up there, oh dear, I'm stuck in the floor. I need to fix that. Anyway, the light up here, I think, is contributing to some of the drop in frame rate and lag that people are experiencing in this maze. So, first things first, drag the item onto my hotbar so that I can easily place a whole bunch of them. I'm going to go, since it's a ceiling item, we're just going to go right here. Oh, shoot. Let me pick that up because I forgot a step. Go to my layout, save my without macro, because this is the house without the new items in it. And now start clicking my hot button and just stack up all of the lights one at a time. I have something like 35 or 40 lights, so it's going to take a little bit, but using the layout editor to replace them will make things a lot faster in the end than they would otherwise be. I really do miss the Dungeon Maker's version of placing items because it's so much faster. Alright, so there's all of my new lights that I want to eventually replace the old lights with. So we're going to say now this is with them in the house. And we're going to go to the layout editor, file, open, with, say diff, without, oops, I had a filter here, clear filter. There we go. So we want to pack these in the moving crate, so we're going to select the checkbox true and click the crate button. Save that layout and load it in game so that they are now all in the moving crate. Now we're going to find every single one of these hanging in illumination cylinders in the layout editor, and we'll do that really simply by using a filter and saying hanging illumination. And here we go, we have 33 of them in the house. So we're going to right click and create a group. We'll call this light replace lights. Say create. Now we need to go to the moving crate and find the extensible ceiling lights. We need the item ID number, so Control C to copy, or you can right click and copy, whichever you find easier. I like Control C. And I'm going to select all of these lights, right click, click replace, paste the item ID from the other lights. Yes, I want to use the unique ID from the crates. And yes, I want to leave the old items in the group, because if I leave the old items in the group, it will automatically pack them in the moving crate for me. Say OK. And see, now you can see that these are all in the right spots now, and these are all in the moving crate. So we'll save group, and let's watch what happens if we go into the game and we say load working. Oh dear, those are rather small like that. We had to make the other ones small, but these are just a little too small. Let's actually go into one of the labs and look and see what it looks like in there. That didn't help with the lag much. I think I'm going to have to remove some other items too. That's tiny. Alright, so let's select all of these extensible ceiling lights and set our scale. Let's just set our scale to 1. So we'll click the scale button, save group, back in game, click load working, and yeah, that's much better. Has a very gnomish feel to it. And wow, I need to turn down my settings, I think, because this is just ridiculously laggy. Alright, so, you know, I'm also running a lot of other stuff in the background, so that might be part of it. But yeah, this is not going to be playable as a maze, so I need to fix that. But we've fixed one part of it by changing out the shining lights that move for a light that does not shine and does not move, so that should be less laggy. Anyway, you can use the same feature that I used to replace just about anything. You can replace, like I said before, floor tiles, you can replace walls, you can replace, say you're in a, I don't know, you're in a school and you decide that the chairs you used for the desks don't work. You can replace all of the chairs, just anything you can imagine that there are a lot of items that need to be replaced all at once, you can do it with that. So, anyway, that was just a little short stream to show how to do that. And yeah, thanks for watching.